As I am a healthcare organization, the major objective of this digital transformation means what is the accurate and quality of services we will give to the patients, as well as the researchers do the research. And in these cases, we have to need a data. A lot of data is required. Quality of data is required. All the data supposed to be properly standardized so that you can use our technology to analyze all these things. The factor is that how to save the doctor's time when you put the technology. And that's why AI play major roles. Just one example I am giving you. Our whole labs is automated. It is pre-analytic, analytic, and post-analytic is totally automated. And the very least manual intervention is there. The reporting it has reduced to more than 9 hours. Earlier it was the semi-automated, it was only it was only taking out 10 hours and all these things. So the resources we are putting the technology to use the resources more efficiently and give the quality of care and increase the services. So this is the one example what I am giving you. The labs are there, the reportings for the radiology also it is like that. You are using the AI tools for the reportings and the doctors taking less time to make the reports to make the reports finalized. So these are the basic examples which is in our healthcare. We are using the technology and make the system more efficient. Earlier CIOs are the second citizen of the organizations. Today they are part of the roadmap of their business. So definitely I'm looking towards that any decision making of the major decision making of the organization is going on for the development of their business. CIO's decision is the most important, that's why they will be part of that. But what I'm looking towards is definitely in futures the organization looking towards that the CIO be a level of CEO. That is I'm looking towards it. Yeah. Thank you.